A business like this in Uganda and many parts of Africa can actually make you reasonable amount of profits. In Uganda, there is constant demand for skuchok and many parts of Africa as well. In this video, I've had very many people ask me about the production cost of skuchok, profitability of skuchok, and also market quality and other things related to this business. So in this video today, I actually want to tackle most of these things. How would you make quality skuchok and enter the market? Yes, of course, you can make quality skuchok by using few ingredients that I'm going to explain in this video. And also it is very easy to actually make colored chalk. Many people say, how do we make colored chalk? Where is the market for chalk anyway? But in this video, I'm going to cover most of these things, detailed explanation about the entire school chalk production business. Remember, we have all the machines that you need in the production of high quality school chalk. We have all machines from 100 cavities, 200 cavities. Those are molds. We have also IMM gunmetal machines of 400 capacity and 800 capacity. But remember, when you buy any kind of machine from us, you like become our partner. We enter into partnership. So we are always ready and available to guide you on a daily basis to ensure that your business actually succeeds. So I'm going to tackle one by one. How do you produce quality school chalk? Yes. So when we talk about quality, then we are looking about how the chalk writes on the chalkboard, the smoothness, actually the texture, the color, and also the size. Remember, our machines make standard chalk, so this chalk can be sold anywhere. It will be the same as even your competitor. It will make smooth chalk because the pipes in the mold are actually plastic in nature and very smooth. So it will help you actually make also quality school chalk. So how do we make colored chalk? Of course, like any other production of any other thing, on the material that you have, that is plaster of Paris, you need to add their colors. And the good news is these colors are actually available with us. So when you come to our place, it is a one-stop area that will give you everything from A to Z that you need as regards school chalk production. Materials are available, machines are available, colors are available, packaging boxes are available, and any other thing you would like to have in your business or school chalk production business. So that entails the quality side. So we are looking at how do I get these materials, machines, boxes, and everything. Of course, you can come to my inbox because we have everything that I've actually discussed about. How do you market school chalk? Yeah, there is a huge demand for school chalk unless you have not entered into business. Just like any other business, you need to market your products and ensure that you create leads. By getting leads, it means you have constant demand from your previous customers. So ensure the people you deal with do not run away to another person. Retain your customers and ensure that there is continuous demand. If you manage to book some good number of schools, you'll always produce your school chalk on an on-demand basis. You'll make as they take because the consumption rate of school chalk is actually very, very high. So ensure you create leads from your customers and offer them quality products to ensure that they always come back to buy. Many people also ask me of what's the profitability of school chalk. If I have managed to venture into this business and invest in my money, does school chalk really give out profits? And I want to clear this doubt from each one of you, any individual watching this video. Yes, just like any other business you see, it makes profits. But as an individual, you can start a business and it fails. So if a business fails, or if you fail to make profits from the business that you are doing now, or the business that you wish to start in the future, it is not, the problem is actually not the business, but you as an individual. Because if I start making school chalk today and I do not make profits, so I should ask myself this one simple question: how are those people who have been in the business or who are running businesses right at that moment, how are they doing it? How are they surviving? It means they are making profits. So the problem could be with the business operator or the business owner. So school chalk just makes profits like any other business if planned very well. How do you plan? Ensure that you get the right source of material. So when you get a good supplier of raw material, definitely you are going to get competitive price. It means your prices are going to be somehow lower. If you get lower prices, you will be able to sell your products at a competitive price because you have used a competitive price in the manufacturing or in the processing. So ensure you get the right suppliers of material, and that could be maybe POP, majorly in the school chalk production, packaging bosses. If you get a fair price, you'll be able to serve at a fair price and you'll be able to compete in the market. Secondly, ensure you have good marketing skills. They always say if you can't market your products, get someone else to do it for you, because there is no single business that can survive without maximizing sales. And by maximizing sales, you must be able to reach to a number of customers, and that can be through advertisements. Advertisements can be made in very many different ways: social media, word of mouth, referrals, and very many other options are available for you. But ensure that each and every customer that comes to your business and buys from you, ensure you retain them, ensure they do not have any option apart from buying from you. It means you must serve them diligently. So if you get the right supply of the material, you make quality products, and you ensure you market your school chalk, definitely you'll be able to make lots of profits in this business. Remember, as I always told you, that production cost of each small box of school chalk is 1,500 Uganda shillings. You know how much school chalk is in your area. Some people even sell it at 5,000, others 4,000, others 3,000. But any amount above 1,500 Uganda shillings per box means profit. So it means school chalk is one of the most profitable business you can think about in this era. Though this business is somehow a seasonal business because schools close, but nowadays there is always teaching even in holidays. So there is constant demand throughout the year when it comes to school chalk production. So I encourage everyone, everything is available, machines, materials, and everything. Come and enter into school chalk production and make money. Free training and machines and everything is available with that. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Bye-bye.